Hello. Today I'm going to show how to configure Hick-Vision joystick for PTZ camera. On the screen, you see this is DS1100 Ki model joystick with display. In my network, there are 4 to 5 PTZ camera. I will configure camera to joystick, so we can operate camera, and we can able to see on this joystick screen. Without any delay, let's start the video. This is Alexa, behalf of Zuber from Easy Robo Tech. On the keyboard screen, you have 2 options, keyboard and server. Select keyboard, using joystick, or touch screen. Then, login. User as, admin, and password as, 12345. This is default username and password, which is set from the manufacturer. In case you using different model, just verify user manual to get proper user details. Then, go to keyboard. Then, network. Then, type your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Make sure you're using same IP range, which is used for camera. If it is not in the same range, the camera will not get configured with joystick. Presently, I'm using IP address as 192.168.10.180 with the 24 subnet mask, and my camera also in the same range. And importantly, do not change port number until it's need to be changed. Because normally, in the camera also default to set as 8000, so it's not necessary to change. In case if you're using different protocols, there you have to change the port number from both side, camera and keyboard, depends upon your need. Then, click on Apply to set the IP address to your keyboard. As you can see on the screen, there is an alert from keyboard that the setting changed should be saved. Click on OK. Let's jump to computer for more configuration. Open any internet browser. Then, type your keyboard IP address, which you have set on keyboard. It will ask for username and password. Type the same, which is used to log in keyboard, before. Then, click on OK. Now we are able to configure keyboard through web server. Left-hand side, we have all the options to configure different parameters. To add PTZ camera, go to Device menu. Then, click on Add button. The new pop-up window will open. Type device name, which you have set at camera configuration stage. Then, type the camera IP address, which is you want to add in the keyboard. Then, type port number. Then, username of the camera and password. Then click on OK. Repeat same procedure to add more camera. I'm adding one more camera here. There is no limit to add cameras in keyboard. You can add more and more cameras. Once you have done adding all the PTZ camera in your network, then go to User menu. It will ask for password. Type same password used in the beginning. Now click on Add button to add new user. A new pop-up window will open. Type a new username, accept admin. Then, type password, and confirm password. Then click on OK. If you observe, on the device column, at admin user, don't showing any device, because we can't use admin user to operate camera from keyboard. You have to make a new user to operate camera from keyboard. Now click on the device. A new pop-up window will open. Then, click on Add. Again, a new pop-up window will open. There, you able to see all the list of the cameras, which was added. Click on check boxes to select camera. Then, click on Add. Once selected camera is added, it will disappear from second window and appear in the first window, as you can see on my screen. Now check the status of the camera. It should be online. However, it's showing on my screen. It's time to check in keyboard that our configuration is working perfectly, or not. Close all the windows, and let's go keyboard back. Now I'm back on my keyboard. First of all, log out from admin user. Click on Yes to log out from admin. Now, log in with the new user created while web configuration. Once you have logged in with new user, click on Input. Here, we have all the input video, or camera added, while web configuration. Click on Live View to watch and operate the PTZ camera from keyboard. As you can see on my screen, I'm able to watch Live View on keyboard or joystick. To change the camera view, press Next button on keyboard.